Tired of juggling multiple platforms to manage your rental listings and tenants? Today, we will make your life easier by showing you exactly how to connect Innago, your all-in-one property management software, with Zillow, the ultimate platform for finding your next renters. First, log into your Innago account and navigate to the Settings or Integrations section. Usually, you can find this tab on the left side of your screen. Look for the Zillow integration option. It might be listed under Advertising or Tenant Screening, so take your time and read carefully. Click on the Zillow integration option. This action should prompt you to log into your Zillow Rental Manager account. Make sure you're using the correct email address and password associated with your Zillow account. After logging in, Zillow will ask you to authorize Innago to access your account. Carefully review the permissions requested and then click Grant Access or Allow. This step is crucial for the integration to work. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to Innago, where you will see a confirmation message stating that the Zillow integration is now active. From here, you can typically manage which Innago properties you want to be listed on Zillow. Now, you can create new listings or sync existing ones with Zillow directly from Innago. Any changes you make in Innago, like updating rent prices or adding new photos, will automatically reflect on your Zillow listing. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Innago with Zillow, streamlining your rental listing process and saving you valuable time. Happy renting!